All right, so here is suction cup, transducer cable running. Took it off of this, put the rudder bungee through it. This is a nice little determinant of length that you want here because it kind of holds. And then I can fully remove this transducer. I just don't like this slacky stuff, and part of me wants to jam a cleat up in here to tighten this, but we'll see how to get this tight. You just don't want this to run along that cable, because I was going to put it through here and then get some taut out of it and then run it up here, but I don't want this transducer cable frayed, so you get what you get, and that's all that you get. But I can remove the whole thing, stash it, store it in the house. Fish finder, mount, so when this flips up, boom. Then I'm gonna run a power cable through here. Uh-oh, no access. Then, boom, am I drilling up in there? Right up in here. Ooh, maybe I could take that flush mount out and help with the fishing. I'm gonna store my battery back here. Spud your life. This is from tearing up my van, so let's pull up some flush mounts with fiberglass with said tools. Yikes, get the goop out. Oh, come on, buddy, come on. Uh-oh, I hear it. You hear that? Man, what am I doing? Hey, come out of there, will ya? I'm scared. Come on, sneak out. Sneak the heck out of there. Oh! Victory. Dang, look at you. Okay, I'm in. And let's see what kind of action is in there. Perf, that's what I'm looking for. Where's my access hole? I wonder if I can see my hand in there. Let's see now. I'm gonna get me some drilling going here. Whoa, this is nice. Let's see. Okay, roll film. So I'm blow torching off the guides to make for a fishing conduit to get that wire through the back hatch. No big deal. Is it in focus? Who cares? I care a little bit. There. I guess this is how we get guides off. I've seen my fishy rod guy do this. There, boop, boop, boop. Okay. Don't breathe too deeply. Better wear your face mask. Well, yay, I thought I was gonna have to fish through this hole with this fishing rod, but duh, with the flush mount out, it just goes right through, and then, hello, look at that, we got contact. This is my old waterproof box. I'm just gonna drill those wide to get the power cable through and stash a bunch of the fuse wiring and the thicker wiring in this box. Boop, boop. Yep. Okay. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Battery again is sealed. I don't want to run these thick wires because I'm going to drill a smaller hole by splitting this power cable and resplicing it down the road. So for now, this little waterproof action seems pretty not too constricting. I'm gonna close this lid so you guys can. Hey, he wants to jump in there so badly that he knows his home's gonna be in there. Man, you're a good box, buddy. You know where you belong. So, yes, I've got an obnoxious hole there. Don't know if I will goop it or grommet it, but for now, I think I'm happy. You go in here, like that. No, I'll probably put Velcro down there and just bam. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now the only dilemma I ran into is running this in my mind all the way to here, down below, and it doesn't look like I'm gonna have but a little bit to get up through the hatch. So I am gonna splice this puppy longer, I guess somewhere in the middle, and I'm grateful I have an extra power cord in case this goes south. That's the news. Okay, this happened. Yeah, it did. Yep, it sure did now. And then this is happening. Yep, tied a little knot. Now I'm just gonna get this going in here. Oh, don't get too excited now. You best pay attention. Yeah, is that what's happening? Now let's see if we can get lift off up over here. Don't get me excited. Yeah, don't get me. Oh, you're already home. Look at that. Did you see that? Oh, I even broke my fishing rod. Isn't that nice? That was just a donation. There we go. It's on 12 volt, 98%. I'm gonna close it up and put it where it belongs. Put you in your happy place. Smiling box. Running along. Okay, here's the final zoo. I drilled a hole through that little screw cap. Ran the wire through. Taped up the stupid mess. I didn't do a perfect job. And corrosion resistance, probably pay a price down the road. There's the power cable coming up underneath. Boom. There's the hummingbird. Here comes the test, boys and girls. I got this backside right up in there, and let's see. Here's the... Any love? Ooh, you didn't see that. Simply, clearly better. Man, I want to see some graphics. I want to see some temperature. Exit to continue. Okay, 69 degrees. Something's moving. Man, I gotta read the manual. Okay, I think we're good to go. Final convenience is taking this off. So this is why we did it. We got this coming off. Boom, boom, boom. Heading over to the silly little clip. Now, here comes this transducer action. Pull that puppy out. Puppy removal. This, and boom! I got this off. No drill. Okay, now the only thing left is the unit, and we'll just pull this power cable out. Boom, I got a little cap for it that it came with. Pop that in here to protect it from the elements, because I think I'm just going to leave it exposed. All right, that's the way.